If you've ever wanted your HubSpot website to automatically create personalized or database-driven pages, whether it's a property listing, a catalog of services, or event pages, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to craft dynamic pages using HubEL, HubSpot's powerful templating language. This opens up possibilities for automation, consistency, and a whole lot of flexibility for your site's content. Let's dive in. First off, you'll need a bit of development know-how for this process, since HubEL is geared toward those comfortable with code. HubEL is the backbone for dynamic content in HubSpot. It lets you pull data right from your CRM, any custom objects, or the settings of your content, so your templates can react to the information inside your database. So, for example, if you want your service catalog to update automatically as new services are added, HubEL is the tool that does this job for you. To start building, head into HubSpot's Design Manager by navigating to Content and then to Design Manager on your dashboard. Think of the Design Manager as your workshop. It's where you actually shape the template code for your pages or blogs. Once you're there, select the template you want to make dynamic. Maybe you've got a property listing template or a blog layout. You'll be editing the code that controls what gets displayed on those kinds of pages. Now, here's where HubEL comes into play. HubEL variables are little placeholders inside your template. They're what let you swap out static text for dynamic, personalized data. For example, writing contact first name will pull and display the first name of a contact visiting your page. It's like having a fill-in-the-blank form that automatically knows how to greet each visitor by name. HubEL doesn't just stop at basic variables. You can loop through lists of items, say every service you offer or all upcoming events. And with conditional logic, your template can display different things depending on what the data says. For instance, take this snippet, %, if contact HS pipeline, voice, marketing qualified, %, you are a marketing qualified lead, %else %. Please book a demo to learn more, /% and if %. This bit of code checks if a contact is in the marketing qualified pipeline and shows a tailored message just for them. If not, it gently nudges them to book a demo instead. The power here is that you don't have to create different pages for every scenario. The template does the heavy lifting in real time. When working on your templates, always use your code with caution. Because you're affecting how your pages are generated, one misplaced bracket or typo can cause layout issues or prevent the page from displaying altogether. If you're new to HubEL, don't worry. Just take your time and test changes frequently. Remember, the preview feature inside Design Manager is your friend. Now, for those using Content Hub Enterprise, you have access to something really amazing: dynamic page generation. Instead of manually building each property listing, every service page, or individual event, you can create one master template and connect it to your database. HubSpot will automatically generate a unique page for each entry. So if you're dealing with hundreds of listings or a growing event calendar, the process is almost entirely automated. For example, real estate sites can instantly update with new homes for sale, or your event calendar can add new event pages without you lifting a finger. And there you have it. By mastering HubEL and leveraging dynamic page generation, your HubSpot site can be smarter, faster, and ready to scale with your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more walkthroughs, and drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.